So my day could start as early as 7:30 in the morning, and we're open then right up until 6:30. Straight away the children are in, I'm giving them breakfast, and different age groups will be coming in the morning, so I could have, you know, a 2-year-old, but also maybe a 3 or 4-year-old as well, and giving them breakfast, and then at about 8 o'clock we spread off into our own individual rooms, and then as the day goes on, you know, we're with the children from breakfast, lunch and dinner. In between that, there's nappy changes, maybe bedtime as well, all the while trying to kind of incorporate educational activities for the children as well. Obviously age and stage appropriate for the children. So we work with children from ages of 1 right up until 11 in our after school
facility. Very different days for each of the children.
Yeah.
And what are the biggest challenges that you have then?
The biggest challenge I would say for the sector at the moment is definitely the staffing crisis. A lot of facilities all around the country are really struggling being understaffed, and with that the staff that are working, they're overworked, and burnout is definitely a huge issue for early years educators. So I'd say that's probably the biggest.
And would you have experienced that here?
Yes, not every day. We're lucky here in that I do believe we run really well, and a lot of the time we do all of the time actually work within ratio. I know a lot of places around the country they don't, and the quality is the first thing to fall down on because they just can't get the staff. So luckily here, although we do experience it some days, it's not all the time.
And with the budget coming up, what would you call on the government to do for the childcare sector?
I think the biggest thing is our wages, the staff wages. I know women who have been working in the sector for over 20 years and have been talking about it at length for years and years. I'm only recently graduated from DCU, and already I'm feeling the burnout and kind of tired from asking for, I believe, what we, you know, our work is worth. So I'd say definitely addressing the staffing wages is the biggest issue, 100%.
And I suppose if the wages were better, it would attract more people into
I think so, yeah, definitely, yeah.